Hi, Betsy Alice, Executive Director for the Sheboygan County Chamber. Just want to give you a big reminder, if you are even thinking about going to China with us in the spring for the best price you will absolutely ever find. We have 8 or 9 days in China, top flight hotels, 5-star hotels, all your food, flying direct from Chicago, taking a bus direct from Sheboygan, all for less than $2,500 a person. This is an incredible value, and it's going to be a lot of fun. There's some great people signing up for the trip. The 15th of November is our deadline for you to reserve your spot. That's just $200 on the table to make sure you've got a place on that bus, on that plane, and in that wonderful country. So give it some thought. November 7th in the evening, we have an information session. Just email lisa@sheboygan.org. Lisa is going to be organizing this adventure and looks forward to hearing from you. You have a great week. Take care.